Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by clipping content using a platform called Whop. If you've never heard of Whop before, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Step 1. What is Whop? Whop is a platform where you can discover different ways to make money. One of those ways is called content rewards. This lets you earn money just by creating and uploading short video clips from different companies and creators. It's perfect if you're like editing or reposting content from platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even X, formerly Twitter. Step 2. Go to the Discover tab. So first, go to whop.com and create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, click on the Discover tab and then scroll down a bit until you see something called Content Rewards. Click on Show All under that section. Step 3. Filter to find the best opportunities. Now in this section, you'll see a lot of offers from creators and companies who are looking for people like you to make short clips for them. To find the best paying jobs, tap on Sort By. Then choose highest CPM. CPM means how much you get paid per 1,000 views. As you can see, some companies are offering $10, $20, even $50 per 1,000 views, which is really good for just posting clips. Step 4. Pick a company to work with. Let's pick an example, Merlin AI. Click on their offer, and then you'll see it says something like create engaging videos for Merlin AI. This means that they want you to create short, interesting videos that promote their tool. You can also sort by newest if you want to see their latest opportunities. New companies and programs are added every day, sometimes every hour, so there's always something fresh to check out. Step 5. Read the requirements. Now go back to Merlin AI and click Join or Open Whop to see the full details. Here are the basic requirements. Your video must be at least 15 seconds long. It should include a call to action like try Merlin AI for free or download Merlin AI today. Once your clip is ready, you're almost done. Step 6. Submit your video and get paid. After you've created your clip, go ahead and paste the link to your Instagram Reel, TikTok, or YouTube Short. Number 2 is upload the actual video file to the Whop platform. And then number 3, click Submit. That's it. Now you'll start earning money based on how many views your video gets. The more engaging your content is, the more you can earn. Making money online has never been this simple. If you're already spending time on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or even X, why not turn that time into cash? With Whop, you don't need to be famous or have a big following. All you need are some basic editing skills and a bit of creativity to start clipping and earning. New opportunities are added all the time, so there's always something to work on, and you can do it anywhere, everywhere. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next way to earn online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.